Okay, so here we will create the Docker image, and for that first we need to create the folder, and also first of all we will go to some basics first. So what is Docker? It's basically a container platform that allows us to build, test, and deploy the applications very quickly. And also, the steps is first a developer defines all the applications and whatever the dependencies for that application is there. Uh, Developer will define all that in the Docker file. A Docker file is basically it is one file which describes the steps to create a Docker image, and then the Docker file is used to build the Docker image. And Docker image is basically a file that defines a Docker container, and then using the Docker image, we will run our Docker container. Docker container is basically a runnable interface of an image, uh, and this is where our application is running. Running. Okay. So first, we will here we will create the Docker image. So let's go. We'll create the image in the documents folder. So first go to the documents folder. Slash so we are in the documents folder. Here we will create uh, a folder mkdir, and the folder name is test project, and then we will go to the test project folder. Okay, and here we will create one file. Okay, and we will say narrow index.html. Okay, so here is a file index.html. Sorry, not HTML file. We will remove this file and go on index.html. That's not related, but okay, it's empty. We need to create the Docker file. Okay, so here first of all we will write the from command, and we can say nginx. So whatever image we create, we will create the image based on some other image. Okay, so we are creating this image based on the nginx. So nginx is already image is already in our system, and based on nginx we will create the latest image. Okay, instead of nginx we can write ubuntu or whatever image we have in our system. Okay, and then we need to run the command. uh, Command is first of all echo to print the message, echo to say that print this message, and in the another double quote we need to write the message. Hi, my name is Vishal Achale. Okay, so this is the message. Okay, and we save this file and then exit and check if the message is saved or not. Yes, the message is saved, and now we will create the Docker image from this. Okay, so for that command is sudo docker then build then -t hyphen t. Hyphen t is for tag. We can write hyphen t or hyphen tag. Okay, but we will go for the t, and then we need to give the image name So suppose this image name is test, can say test project. Okay, and then we need to give the Docker files location. So it is in our current repository. So we can say dot. Okay. So yeah, we entered, and as you can see, the image is created. So step one is from which image we take the reference nginx, and step two is the message. Okay, successfully built test project. Okay, this is successfully tagged test project latest as the image name. Okay, so here we will check the images. So as you can see, this is our image. Okay, test project. Now we will try to run this image. So we can sudo docker run, and just you can write test PRO project. Okay. Okay. As you can see, hi, my name is Vishal Kasle. It's printed here as we entered the message in the Docker file. Okay. So this is how you can create the image. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.